Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Let's talk about making money online in 2025. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for gigs. Whether you write, design, or code, there's a client out there for you. Next, think about creating digital products. Ebooks, courses, and printables are hot right now. Sites like Gumroad make it super easy to sell these. Don't forget about affiliate marketing, promote products you love and earn a commission. Amazon Associates and ShareASale are great places to start. And if you're into videos, YouTube and TikTok offer monetization options through ads and sponsorships. You don't need to be a pro, just be yourself and share what you love. Finally, consider offering a subscription service. Platforms like Patreon let your fans support you monthly. It's a steady income stream and builds a loyal community. There you have it. Simple ways to start making money online in 2025. Get started today and watch your bank account grow.